Hi guys, have you ever thought about making money online in Nigeria? Probably you're a student or you work for a company and you need a side hustle. You want to make a living for yourself. You want to have another stream of income even as a student while you're studying, and you can make money as well online at the comfort of your home, even on your mobile phone. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing the 5 ways you can make money legitimately online without you having any capital to do any business on your phone or on your laptop or any devices you have out there. So can you stay tuned with me as I'm going to be sharing those 5 things with you right now. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Olaoluwa. I am a brand developer at Option Builders. Kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video, and also like this video so as to reach out to more people who might be interested in watching this amazing video. So guys, let's dive into this video right now. Let's do that. Welcome back guys. Just like I said earlier, I said I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to make money in Nigeria legitimately, right? So I'm going to be sharing those 5 ways you can make more money in Nigeria legitimately without you robbing any bank, without you duping anybody. You're going to make money legitimately. So first thing I needed to know before any other thing is that before you can make money in Nigeria, you have to be a problem solver. You have to be a problem solver. If you are not solving any problem out there, anybody is going to pay you. So you see problem in something and you come up with a solution, or people have a problem, you go out there, you solve their problem. That is how you can make more money online. So if you don't have any way you can solve people's problem, you're not gonna make more money. So that means you need skills as a solution to people's problem out there. So if you want to make money online, you have to be a problem solver. So number 1 thing I'm going to be sharing right now, number 1 ways you can make more money online is by being a freelancer. So freelancing, I'm very sure you know what freelancing is all about. Freelancing is actually you rendering your services, your professionalism to people. Freelancing is actually you rendering your service, your professionality, things you have the skills to do. Probably you're a graphic designer, a website designer, a voiceover artist, a video editor, voiceover artist, writer, or any digital skill you have out there. So this is a platform whereby you render the service to people who you don't even know how they at the comfort of your home. It might be on your mobile phone. You are rendering the service to people out there. So it's a freelancing platform, is a place whereby people come and they hire you to do a task for them. Probably they need somebody to design a website for them, or they need somebody to design the logo, or to edit the video, or to fulfill the documents for them, or they need somebody to write a proposal for them. So these people come out there and they hire you to do that thing. So, and you can always make a lot of money by doing this online. So freelancing is very good business you can actually go into. So if you want to make more money online, you can venture into being a freelancer. So if you have a skill like graphic designer, or the skills I mentioned earlier, video editor, digital marketer, voiceover artist, you can venture into any one of these. And before you can venture into this, you must have the skill out there. So when you get any client to bump into you, ask you, can you do this for me? Then you do it for them and you get paid for it. So with that, you can make money for yourself. You can make close to $2,000, $3,000 in a month, depending on how consistent you are and how effective the people get to find you on those platforms. So I make a video recently on how to sell and make more money on freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Dropshipping, etc. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well, so you can go out there and watch the video so as to have more understanding about how to be a freelancer. So you want to try working as a freelancer. I'm very sure if you try all of this, you can make a lot of money for yourself. Either you're a student or you work for a company and you need a side hustle for yourself. So kindly visit the platform which I'm going to be dropping the link below this video, like Fiverr, Upwork, Doctor, FlexJob, and etc. So you want to work on this platform and you're going to make more money working on this platform. So freelancing is very good out there for you to make more money. So kindly try freelancing. So also thing I'm going to be talking about social media management. So social media management is an aspect whereby you manage social media page for business owner on social media. Probably they're too busy, they want to be more focused on the other part of their business rather than social media. So they need somebody who can always manage their social media for them, something like maybe Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform out there. So they need people who can manage, who can be posting for them. Having social media, you need to be consistent, and these people out there, they might not have the chance to be doing all of that. So they need people who can always manage the social media for them. And you are out there as a student, you can make money by just rendering your service as a social media manager to them. So they give you everything they need to be posting, or maybe they want to even research the things that they need to post, or you can talk to them, they give you the content, everything you need to be posting. So you just out there posting for them on social media, and with this you can make close to 50,000, 30,000 naira, or even higher online without you doing any other thing. And probably you have a lot of clients like this, you have a lot of people, and it's kind of too stressful for you. There's a way you can schedule posts, and it's going to can last you for even a month. So there's a platform you can always use to schedule posts, and even as a student you can be more focused in school, and as well you are managing social media for other people as well. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video how to schedule posts on Instagram or even on Facebook, and you don't need to be posting every time. Every post you need to do, you can schedule it for the whole of the month. So with you ready yourself as a social media manager, you can make money for yourself online. So with you being consistent as well, you can make a lot of money for yourself with this. So number 3 things I'm going to be talking about is affiliate marketing. So I'm very sure you've heard about affiliate marketing as well. So I'm going to be talking in depth about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is actually a situation whereby a company is selling the products, or individual, anybody selling the products on the platform. So you are out there, they give you a custom link. So if you make a sales, if you bring a client, it's just a normal referral business. So if a customer buy a product through your referral code or through your referral link, so let's say they are selling the product for 100,000 naira, so your referral bonus might be 30,000 naira on that particular product. So with affiliate marketing, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So you don't really need to do much work. Probably you have you have a network of people that do buy a lot of things. So what you just need to do is to go on the affiliate marketing platform out there. You sign up with them, tell them you want to promote, pick any product you want to promote, go out there, they're going to generate a link or a code for you. So if anybody is buying the products directly from you, you have a commission on it. So with this, if you are selling, you might have like 10 people buying the product through your link in a day, and as much as people are buying from you, as much as you are making a lot of money from it. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video. Various platforms you can sell, you can make money as an affiliate marketer. So with affiliate marketing, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So affiliate marketing is a very good thing you want to go into. So with this, you can make a lot of money for yourself. Even it does not really mean to be in Nigeria, you can be marketing for people outside the country, probably in US, Ghana, or any other country out there. So your home is to get a referral link, and it's very available for anybody. So you get the link and people buy the product directly from you through your own link. So whenever they buy the product from you, you have a commission on that particular product. So with this, you can make more money for yourself. So I want you to try working as an affiliate marketer. With this, you can make money for yourself online without leaving the comfort of your home at all. So number 4 things I'm going to be sharing with you that you can make more money for yourself is via dropshipping. I'm very sure you've heard about dropshipping. In my previous video, I uploaded a video on how to start a dropshipping business in Nigeria with zero or little capital at all. So dropshipping is actually a business model whereby you are not the rightful of the products, Once you have people who can buy the product from you, you get the products and you give them the products and you make your own profit on it. So there are various ways you can market the product as well. So one of the videos I did recently is how to sell the product on WhatsApp and Instagram. So you have a large number of people that you can always talk to come and buy a product from you. So you buy a product online, or even people pay you after you ship the product. So you just get the product to them. You might buy a product for 50,000. You might buy a product for 5,000 naira and you sell it for 15,000 naira or 20,000 naira. So with this, you are making a lot of money from this, and you can imagine you selling more of this every day. Let's say you are selling 10 products in a day or 20 products in a day, and you are making your whole profit on it. So dropshipping is a very good business you want to venture in. So if you don't have any capital, or you have a little capital, you can venture into dropshipping. So kindly go to my previous video I did on how to start dropshipping video, as we are going to have more in depth about starting a dropshipping business in Nigeria. So guys, I'm going to be talking about my number 5 video, but before then, let me just recap on the previous thing I said. First thing I said was, before you can make more money in Nigeria, you have to be a problem solver. You have to be a problem solver. If you're not solving any people's problem, you're not going to make any money, because people tend to pay you if you are solving their problem. You solve the problem, you see a problem in something, you solve it, and you are going to be paid for rendering your professionalism, rendering your solution to their problem. So first ways you can make money in Nigeria or anywhere in the world is by freelancing. So you have a skill like graphic design, website design, video editor, digital marketer, or any digital skill out there, even a writer, voiceover artist, or any skills you have out there that you can render to people and make a lot of money for yourself. So there are various platforms you can render yourself with. Some of them is like Fiverr, Upwork, Doctor, Flexion, etc. I'm going to be referring the link in this video as well. You can find the video right up here or right here. So kindly watch the video, as this class I'm going to have more in depth about how to become a freelancer and start making money for yourself, and you just rendering your services online out there. So remember, 2 things I talk about is being a social media manager. So a lot of people are out there and they want to use social media, but probably they are too busy. They want to be more focused about what they do. So they need somebody who can always manage their social media for them. They know the importance of social media, but they want to be more focused on some other aspect of their business. So they want to hire somebody to be managing the social media for them. So what they do on social media is basically they post their products, they like some posts, they do some other activities. So they want somebody that can always do this for them, and you are out there, you want to help them to do this, and by you doing this, they pay you for rendering the service for them. So being a social media manager can always fetch you a lot of money. So you can imagine having 3 or 4 clients that is paying you, let's say, close to 30,000 or 50,000 naira in months. You can imagine that's big money you want to be making as a student or as a side also. So there are various platforms you can use to schedule your goals. Like even if you have a lot of clients you are working for, you don't get stuck in something, probably you are too busy to do so. So you can always schedule post everything you want to do for clients. You can schedule it for the next 1 month. So with this, you are going to be more effective about what you do for your clients. So number 3 things I talk about is being an affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing is basically you selling a product that you don't own. So you are selling that product via a referral. So you are giving a referral code. So anybody is buying the product through your referral link or your code. So you have a commission on that particular product. So you are not the right owner of the product. You don't own the product. It might be a digital product. It might be a physical product. So as an affiliate, you have the product and you have the product link. So you just share it. If anybody is buying the product through your link, it signifies the company that the person that bought this product is buying from you, and you get your own commission on that particular product. So in this, you can make a lot of sales. You can imagine selling A lot of people are buying products, buying the products via referral link, and you're making like 30% on that particular product, and you're getting this from 10 people or 20 people in a day. So with this, you can make a lot of money for yourself. And I talk about number 4 thing I talked about was dropshipping. So dropshipping happens to be a very good business you can venture in. So dropshipping is basically a business model whereby you don't have a physical product in stock. You order a product and you get it delivered to the customer, and you make your own money from it. You are not the right owner, you are not the retailer, you are not the wholesale. You just get the product. You know people need these products. You go out there, source for the product, put it online there, people buy the products, and you make your own profit from it. So with you doing this, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So number 5 ways you can make more money online is by you being a influential marketer. I'm very sure you're out there, you have a lot of contact on your phone. You have a lot of contact on your phone, even on your social media. I know of some people that have thousands, like 5,000, 10,000. They have 5,000 followers on Facebook, friends online out there. So these friends, followers you have, they are not just there to fill up your contact list of your followers list. You can make use of them very well. So there are some people out there who need to reach out to more people. Probably they don't have enough followers, or they don't have, they can't trust people enough. So they want to. You can always talk to these people. Let me market the products for you. I have a large number of audience. I have a large number of audience. So you discuss with this person. So if I'm marketing these products for you on my social media platform or on my contact list, how much am I going to get paid? You can imagine you doing this for a lot of people on your contacts or on your social media. I know of a friend that has close to 25,000 followers on Instagram. So these guys, anytime you want to, just go out there, market the product for you. So depending on the kind of reach that post has, so that is how much it's going to be making. So you too want to try being an influential marketer. So with this, you are creating a brand for yourself, and you are as well creating a brand for people who are hiring you to promote their business online. So all these contacts you have on your phone, all these followers you have on your social media, they are very important than just them being on your contact list or your followers list. So kindly make use of them. Start being an influential marketer today, and this is going to help you to make a lot of money for yourself. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you find this video very interesting. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Olaoluwa. I am a brand developer at Dropshipping. Kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a video. And also like this video so as to reach out to more people who might be more interested in watching this video. So thank you guys, see you next time.